I don't know how, but even on vacation, somehow we ended up at a fucking Marshall's. So this is what we're doing right now. We've been in Palm Springs for a couple of hours. We had some drinks, and now we're shopping. We went into Old Navy, which is something we usually wouldn't do. We haven't been there in a while, but now we're here, and so we're gonna see what happens. On my PLC, we're still in Marshall.
I feel tired as shit.
We have been out all day. We've been up really early, running around, but we're still here shopping.
We need water.
We need water.
One of the installations.
We did.
And we're probably just gonna chill for the rest of the evening and then start fresh tomorrow.
Yeah, bright and early. We got 11 more installations to go.
Woohoo!
I mean, you could talk. I mean, I know you don't want to be on things, so you're just not on the thing, you know?
Special days.
When you want to make a special
We
appearance.
went to Trader Joe's and got snacks.
You definitely can.
And now we're being
Huh?
adults.
This is what we do here and there.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna become a video eventually. Shots.
Yes. Shots, Jamie?
Crown.
You want to see again?
That's right.
Mom? Oh.
I'm just snorting right now.
I know.
I got a nut in that one. The blue cheese in that one snaps. No?
Mm-hmm. I don't remember what salad it was. What salad? One of the last salads I had blue cheese on it, and the blue cheese was super salty. I was like, oh. HPP instantly. I don't remember where I got the salad from. Did I get a salad from the place we went to for Jamie's birthday in Long Beach? It might have been that one.
Which one? Which place, I mean?
The one we went.
The cider house? No, they didn't have food.
The first one we went to, the one that was right off the beach and it was super windy.
Mm-hmm.
Like I saw, right?
Yeah, but is that where you got blue cheese?
I think so. I could be lying. It'll come back to me. Can we get copyright for singing songs that we know? That's rude. That's rude.
I don't think so. Or maybe you have to be under a certain amount of seconds. Just like how, like, if it's in a video, it has to be under a certain amount of seconds.
What if it's like above whatever amount of seconds, but the words are not completely right? I feel like that shouldn't sound either.
And then that's not the song.
You know, you think they say beautiful, but they're really saying, I don't know, hideous. I don't really know.
Not the complete opposite. It doesn't even sound like. Night one, Palm Springs.
It's windy as shit outside.
It's windy as hell. We got Trader Joe's snacks. Like, we didn't come with snacks. We came with snacks.
To go buy some more snacks.
Spent $80 at the grocery store. Like, we're only gonna be here
One more night. But that's alright. That just means we got snacks for all day tomorrow. And when we get home. Because who doesn't love snacks?
Went to TJ Maxx after Marshall's. Made it in the nick of time for Trader Joe's.
So we drove to another place to shop and eat. That's what we did in I was gonna say Phoenix, in Arizona.
Yeah.
We're just a traveling family. We like to go to different Marshalls and TJ Maxx in different cities and states. And see
We're a
what we find.
snacking, eating bunch.
But we're always prepared. When we travel, we're always prepared with snacks. And we won't hesitate to get more.
Alright guys, we are gonna finish our food. Probably get lit, drink some more. I'll see you tomorrow. So we are out here walking to the art installation. It's over there. It's not as warm as we thought it was going to be.